What is this? Science girl, the myotonic is a breed with a condition that makes it prone to stiffening or falling over in response to excitement or surprise. What is myotonic? We'll see. First, let's watch the video. Right. Oh, oh, so the muscles stiffen up or something, is it? Okay, I'm sorry. I have to see what's myotonic. Myotonic refers to a state of delayed muscle relaxation after contraction, often due to genetic disorder called myotonic dystrophy. It's characterized by the inability to relax muscles at will, leading to stiffness and difficulty in movement. Fainting goat. The fainting goat or myotonic goat is an American breed of goat that is characterized by myotonia congenita, a hereditary condition that may cause it to stiffen or fall when excited or startled. That's so funny. I don't know why, but it's funny. Oh, oh, I think I think I would have done the same thing. If I had these goats, I would have gone and, surprised them or scared them just to see them fall. I know it sounds very, very cruel, maybe, but it's funny. I'm sorry, but it's really funny.